Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make honey mustard without honey. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need a good quality Dijon mustard, a sweetener substitute, and a touch of acid like apple cider vinegar. Consider using agave nectar for a neutral sweetness or maple syrup for a richer, more complex flavor. Brown sugar is another excellent option, providing a classic sweet and tangy balance. Let's get started with the basic proportions. Achieving the right balance is key. For a standard batch, begin with a 1-to-1 ratio of your chosen sweetener to Dijon mustard. For example, if you use 1/4 cup of agave nectar, use 1/4 cup of mustard. You can always add more sweetener later, perhaps an additional 1 to 2 tablespoons, to suit your preference. Dijon mustard is ideal, but yellow mustard works for a milder version. To elevate your honey-free mustard, incorporate elements that add tang and a hint of spice. A teaspoon of apple cider vinegar brightens the flavor profile significantly. For a subtle warmth, a small pinch of cayenne pepper works wonders. Don't forget savory additions like 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder or onion powder to round out the taste. These small additions make a big difference in complexity. Once you have all your ingredients, whisk them together vigorously in a small bowl until the mixture is completely smooth and uniform. For best results, cover your honey-free mustard and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to fully meld and deepen. Stored in an airtight container, your delicious homemade sauce will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.